welcome to the session. This session is about dietary treatment for underweight. People with BMI less than 18.5 are considered as underweight. A person may be underweight due to genetics, improper metabolism of nutrients, poor dietary intake, drugs that affect appetite, physical or mental illness, or eating disorders such as anorexia nervosa. The body mass index is calculated by applying the formula weight in kilogram divided by height in meter square. If a person's body mass index is less than 18.5, then that individual is termed in underweight status. Severely underweight individuals may have poor physical stamina and a weak immune system leading to infection. Causes of underweight: poverty, starvation, dietary inadequacy, tuberculosis, diabetes mellitus, gastrointestinal disturbances that the digestion and absorption capacities are decreased, poor absorption of nutrients, malabsorption syndrome, cancer, infection, hyperthyroidism, and anorexia nervosa. Risk factors of underweight: poor health, growth retardation, frequent infection, fatigue, complications like preterm delivery and smaller babies are more common during pregnancy if pregnant mother is underweight. If the person is underweight, the risk during surgery is more. The preschool children with underweight are most often associated with nutritional deficiency diseases like marasmus and kwashiorkor. Underweight individuals are more prone to osteoporosis. Low body weight can lead to infertility in females. Dietary modifications to be followed. Objectives: restore body weight to normal, rebuild body tissues and nutrient stores and restore health, maintain desirable body weight and good nutritional status. The dietary principles to be followed are high calorie, high protein, high fat, liberal vitamins and minerals to be followed as dietary principles. Dietary requirements. The energy needs as well as a protein sparing action can be possible by a high carbohydrate intake. In order to meet the carbohydrate requirement, sugar, honey, cereals, starchy vegetables and fruits must be included in plenty in the diet. Sufficient amount of fiber intake should be included to regulate bowel movement. In order to improve the status of underweight person, an increase of about 500 kilocalorie per day results in a weight gain of 0.5 kg per week. For every increase in 1000 kilocalorie of energy, there will be a weight gain of approximately 1 kilogram. Since the energy need is increased, protein requirement should be liberal to build up the muscle tissue. The intake of protein can be 1.5 to 2 gram per kg body weight per day, and also it should be high biological value protein sources. Fat being an energy dense food, the intake should be only in moderate quantity so as to meet partly energy needs without exceeding the tolerance limits. Better tolerated fats are butter, cream and whole milk. The Diet must be liberal in vitamins and minerals to regain health, including plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grain cereals, and pulses, particularly in sprouted form, help in ensuring an adequate intake of vitamins and minerals. Fluid should not be taken before or with a meal, but only after a meal so that the food intake is not reduced. Regular outdoor exercise should be performed as it helps to stimulate appetite and thereby increases food intake. General guidelines to be followed. Without increasing the bulk of food, increase the calorie density of the food by using more sugar, jam, butter, cream, oil, and nuts. The protein content of the diet can be increased by using high biological value protein sources. Increase food intake gradually. Eat small frequent meals throughout the day. Avoid eating empty calories and junk foods. Instead, focus on nutrient-dense foods. Avoid forceful eating. Have snacks containing protein and carbohydrates. Proper breastfeeding and weaning of the child is important. And immunization should be followed as per schedule. Practice exercise to stimulate appetite and to improve muscle tone and weight gain. Maintenance of proper dietary pattern is essential to have a healthy body and a healthy mind. Have a nice day. Thank you.